Alright guys, we have a pallet unboxing today. I ordered in a pallet of bedding, small appliances, and home decor. We paid about $550 landed for everything. Retails about $3,000, but we're gonna go through it. Today I have
Maya.
And she is Nick. And we are gonna go through this thing. Maya works at the warehouse here and is awesome. And we're gonna have a good time showing you guys what's inside. Should play some rock and roll.
Here.
All right, don't hurt yourself. Okay, what do we got in here? What's this?
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, all right. So we got a pet steps. Okay, so I guess if you want your dog to jump into bed. What is that?
Wood flowers?
Okay.
Ollie's pillow.
Yeah. I'm not sure how much something like this would be worth, but I'm guessing this is probably at least $25, $30. Have to do a little bit more research on that. All right.
Ooh, look at this. A mixer.
Ooh. Oh, that looks good. All right. So, grab that out. Okay. Well, I guess this would be probably the first big item. We've sold these before. Last time we sold this, it got around $250. This is supposed to be grade A, so it's supposed to be brand new. It looks like it's been opened before, but I'll check that out later. Yeah, I'll give this to you. Throw it on the table over there. Oh, and another mixer. If I grab my phone, we can scan a little bit and see how much some of this stuff's worth. Wow, okay, a lot of bedding.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a dog bed. All right, so I can scan this. I have the Amazon app opened up. Let's see, it looks like. Yeah, they didn't find it, so no luck on that one. But I'm guessing anything KitchenAid's probably about $50 at least. All right, we have a 4-piece quilt set. See if I have any more luck pulling this up online. Ooh, what is that, a deep fryer, air fryer? I don't know, that one's a mystery one. If you want to grab that one out, we could open that up. All right, so I have the Amazon app here. Oh, and again, no hits on this, but most of the bedding that we have, sheet sets, quilt sets, going for about 25, 30 bucks a piece. Really depends on brand, but this one looks pretty generic, so. Oh, what is this?
Pots and pans?
Does it have a brand name on it?
No, it doesn't.
Bring these things out.
Yeah, pots and pans.
Does it say the name of the brand or anything? Right there. What is that, Gotham? I have not dealt with Gotham brand pans before, but it looks like it's a stainless steel set. Say, yep, Gotham steel 15-piece set. Most of the 15-piece pan sets that we get, though, normally go for about $100 to $150, so it's not a bad find. Yeah, let's throw this one over here. Yeah. All right, what else we got?
We got rice cooker here.
Ooh. Let me see if I can find this online anywhere.
I really wonder how much this one's going for.
Yeah, if you want to pull that one out, I'll scan it real quick. A lot of these aren't coming up on Amazon, but I'm sure they have sales on eBay. Ooh, actually this one is. So
How much is that one?
this little rice cooker right here is showing that they're about $30.98 on Amazon. So not a lot, but sales rank's 510. So this thing would sell overnight for sure. This one I'm sure is a bit more expensive. This one's caloric. Let me pull it up on Amazon real quick. This one's selling for $150 on Amazon, $149.49. Sales rank's a little bit higher, so it might take a little bit longer to sell, but I mean, $150. So with this and the $250 from that KitchenAid, we've almost made back the price of this pallet so far, so that's good news. What is this, a lot more bedding? Or this was the same one? Maya, I'll hand you some of this bedding and get it out of here.
I think that's an infuser right there. Oh no, it's
Ooh,
not.
that's a deep fryer.
Never mind.
Bedding. I got a lot of bedding in this one. I'm guessing 25, 30 bucks a piece for these.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, probably used sheets. This is supposed to be A quality, but oh,
What is it?
flamingos. Oh no, you should open that, see what that is. Picture frame.
This is so stinking cute. Bed sheets.
Is it a pillowcase?
Yes. Look how cute this is.
Might have to steal that one, or you might be stealing that one. So
Yep.
it's not boxed up, so we can steal it. Picture
This is
frames.
so cute.
Ooh. This is interesting. The claw. So, children's toy. Doesn't look like it's in the best shape. Maybe 10, 15 bucks.
Ooh, what's this? Ass-shaped heart.
Yeah, I don't like that one. That one looks dumb. All right. Another peach and oak. I'll see if this is. I'm going to scan this one, see if it shows up anywhere online. Let me see Amazon real quick. Oh, this one's on Amazon. Pretty close to the price I was thinking. So this one's going for 37 bucks. So yeah, pretty close to what I was saying earlier. Normally we can get about 25, 30 bucks for these king, queen sets, all these kind of generic ones. So not bad. Every 30 bucks adds up. What's that? What's this for? Oh, it's like decoration?
I guess.
I have no idea. All right.
Curtains. These are cute.
Ooh, I'll scan those ones too.
Wait, and they also block out light.
So yeah.
Privacy provided. Efficient energy.
Ooh, I'll scan that one.
Awesome. Those are probably gonna be like 50, 60.
Yeah, I was gonna say these blocking curtains. MSRP, it says right on here, is 110 bucks, but we'll see what it's actually going for. Maybe. It's going for $40 online, so not quite the MSRP, but I mean, this is already polybagged, already ready to ship. This will be an easy sell. Uh-oh, it's getting down there.
In the shower,
Got
maybe?
some more bedding.
Is that what it is?
These. Probably about, again, 15, 20 bucks. Ooh, what is this? You want to open this mystery box? Do you have the solar step lights? I guess not so much mystery. Decaf mango. Ooh, this is a mystery box. So this thing's closed. What is this?
What is that?
Mirror wall sticker. All right.
Oh, we need one of those in the bathroom.
Actually, I will have to show you the bathroom later. There is definitely
No
a need for a
mirror.
mirror in there. Ooh, this is nice, actually. Metal monitor stand. So this is for your laptop so they don't overheat. Something like this would probably easy 20 bucks.
Should I cut the box open?
Yeah, if you can. Yep.
No.
I figure I can try. Oh. All right, let's try this. This might be embarrassing, but we'll go for it. Oops. All right. Oh, look at that.
Good job, Nick.
Oh, man. I'm going right for gold. Oh, wow.
Good job.
This is a good find. I have one of these myself. These things are going for $100+. Let me scan this one. This might be, yep, 108. And then we have another comp for 83. So about $100, but this mixed with the $150, what was the other good one over there? The deep fryer and the $250 KitchenAid. Then another. Yeah, and that was another 50. So we're at least $700, you know, in just appliances, including that one down there. Everything else will just be more profit. Oh, what is that? Cabbage Patch? Yeah, it's Cabbage Patch. Petting zoo friends. Does it make noise or anything?
No.
Oh. This pallet's going pretty quick. A lot of big stuff.
Ooh, this one. Look at this one.
Ooh. Let me scan that one. I haven't heard of that
Gotham
brand.
again. Gotham Steel.
Yeah. You see the. Come on. Ooh, it is on there. $60. I think it's going for $60 on Amazon. So we'll probably be, yeah, close to $700-800 in just these appliances, not to mention any of the bedding or any of the.
Quilt set.
Yeah, quilt set. That's been, what are these, shower hangers? Probably. Shower or closet? Oh, yep, shower hanger.
Ooh, what is this? Tea?
Yeah, I found one of those. They're
Decaf.
decaf tea. Oh, here's an actual My Pillow. This guy looks pretty awesome. Nice mustache. But we have a lot of these My Pillows, as you can see.
So cute. Look at this.
What?
Coffee.
Ooh,
How cute is that?
that looks awesome. What else is in here? This doesn't look.
Candle. Oopsies.
This is another. Oh. Well, it was a new candle.
Smells pretty good.
No, I like it. All right. What else?
Another comforter.
All right.
This one's pretty cute.
Let's see. I have no idea what's going on here.
What the hell is that?
Oh. Figure that out later. Ooh. Mystery box. You want to open it?
Let's, you open this.
Okay. Ooh, this is a Chinese scroll. And
Smartphone windshield. Oh,
okay, that might be $10. That's not bad.
that's nice.
All right, this is pretty cool. We got a Chinese scroll. Probably worth $5, but you know.
Means good luck.
Yeah. Probably use this for the warehouse.
Or simple drinking.
Ooh.
Oh, another pair of curtains.
I can scan this one. This one
I
looks
like that color.
might be some money. No, but curtains normally about $40-50.
So the packaging is kind of messed up, but this is pretty cool for your bathroom. Put like towels and
Oh. Clothes, I guess.
yeah.
Stuff's getting. Ooh, that might be good though. Pants set at the bottom there.
This is super adorable. What's this, Nick?
Birch twig. All right.
But it's lit.
So this
It's
probably
lit.
this would be some Christmas stuff. But these are actually. Sorry, I'm skipping to the good stuff here. Toilet bowl cleaner. Probably best for the bathroom. These. All right. So these are generally worse than money. These are our cast iron. Of course, the barcode's covered, so I can't give you guys an exact price, but last time I bought those personally, it was about $50 for a set like that. It's probably for the bathroom, or bent a little bit, but
Aw. Look at this.
Or anywhere
It's a
to
little
put-
Birkin.
yeah, I don't know if I can sell that, but probably.
Plates.
Uh-oh, we're getting to the bottom of the barrel here. Ooh, these weighted blankets, these are super popular right now.
Shut up, really?
Yeah,
I want one.
yeah, so they're...
So it makes you feel like you're cuddled all the time?
Or, yeah, so stress relief.
I wonder how much this is going for.
Yeah, I wonder... see if I can-
They're pretty expensive because when I was looking at them, they're like 70 a piece.
Yeah.
Here, Parkwood right here.
Let's try it. Where's my Amazon app? Okay. Come in. I guess it's not pulling it up. But yeah,
Dang it.
probably about 50 a piece. Ooh.
Oh, we should leave that here for Athena.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
And Ollie.
This looks like a dog blanket. Definitely something I could use. It's out of the box, so I might take this myself. Is that like a wood shelf?
Tray.
Huh.
Wood tray. Missing a few pieces.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Maybe these go with it. No? Wood
yeah,
tray?
that's it.
Maybe. Yep. All right, we're pretty much down to the bottom. Maybe see what that is. That looks kind of interesting. Everything else is just...
Ooh, I think it's a vase. Maybe.
yeah.
There's the box
Go cut yourself. Ooh. Is it a vase?
I think so. Or something. Oh no, it's the water thing. Water dispenser.
For what?
Water dispenser?
Oh, I'm gonna break it probably, but
Oh no, it's not. Oh, what is this?
I have no
What's
idea.
over here right now?
Maybe it was supposed to come with like maybe it's like a mason jar.
Water dispenser.
Oh no, yeah, it does. Look at yeah, you're right. It has the connector inside.
there we
So
go. Water
this would be
dispenser.
like you could make summer
Lemonade
drinks
for the
or
summer.
lemonade. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Maybe $10 on something like this. So yeah, everything else down here looks pretty either beat up. It was on the bottom. We got a lot of stuff.
Home time.
We got
Trivia.
a lot of bedding, but some of the big hitters, yeah, a lot of bedding. So we got like $250 for this KitchenAid. This looks pretty awesome. About $150 for this. The air fryers are super popular right now. They go pretty quick. This box is a little beat up, but these were going for $49. And then I have that other one down here. So that's another $50. And I have the Ninja over here that's about another $100. So all in all, definitely probably tripled the money on this pallet after we get everything cleaned up, repackaged, and organized better than we have it now.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, we found some pretty good stuff. So I would say the big ticket items again were some of those appliances. We did get a lot of bedding, but they'll
I'm
go
stealing
fast.
this one. I've been looking for this.
Yeah, weighted blankets, those are super popular right now. Kind of made a mess, but we'll get this organized, cleaned up, and then start taking listing photos for anything we want to, send online. I think that's about it.
Till next time.